Hey, did you know you can now create full AI videos just by giving a simple text prompt right on your iPhone? Yes, the Sora app lets you turn your ideas into real videos in seconds, so no editing, no camera needed. So first you have to head over to your app store and search for Sora and just tap on it. And from here you have to install your Sora app. After it's installed, just open it up. And now from here, you can sign in with your ChatGPT or you can sign in using a different account. I'm using my Google account, so I go for it. And now you have to create your account. So on my Google account, it's already created. So if it's needed to you, you have to create your username, profile photo, or just keep it if you want. And now from here, you will start editing. The first tab is your newsfeed, the second is search where you can look up anything, and the middle tab, that's where you create your videos. And now you have to tap this plus button to start creating, and here you will need to type a prompt. And now when you're okay, just tap the arrow icon to generate your video. Now wait a few moments and Sora will create the video exactly based on your instruction. And when the generating is completed, your video is ready. Just tap on it. And once your video is generated, you can download it, delete it, or post it to your feed. You can also upload an image by tap this plus icon again. And then tapping the gallery icon. Now choose your photos, then give a short instruction about what you want to happen in that video. Next, you can use camos, lets you create video using your own face or collaborate with your favorite people. Just follow the on-screen steps and give the right instructions. And from the draft folder, you can find all of your generated videos, and also from your profile, tap on this icon and where you can easily access your settings or check your content. And that's it. You're all set to explore Sora and start making creative, funny or cinematic videos right from your iPhone. Isn't it really cool? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.